Okay, so I am here at Penn Station, and this is track 18 of the Long Island Railroad. In case anybody was wondering why am I here, well, Amtrak is doing track work on track 18. And it first started today, Monday, March 26, 2018. And this track is unfortunately going to be out of service until May because of the Amtrak project that started way back in January. So, more proof right here that the Long Island Railroad is continuing. And little odd homage to the bartender over here. This is his last week being here, and I feel bad for them because they look forward to the people who serve drinks before they get on the trains. Just quickly going to show you, this is a South Shore train. This is an M7.
2052 track 17. 2052 track 17.
Yeah, this is the Long Beach train. It's fairly empty right now. People are probably going to come down later on, hopefully, but this is an M7. Hope I don't get an M3 today because I hate the flickering lights. So, yeah, just a quick video from track 18 here at, track 17, 18 here at Penn Station.